Okay, hello everyone. It's me, Mama TK, in the building. Yeah, I know I've been gone for a while off of YouTube, and I was committed and dedicated. I still want to do my videos, but I have been working so much because I really need the money. So I really gotta work until I'm just dog plump tired. I mean, super duper tired. And I was just sitting here today. I said, why not go ahead, just make a video. I know I'm not dressed up to certain standards in par, but today we are having some nachos. I got me some street sauce, taqueria street sauce, original Roja taco sauce. So, and this is medium flavor. I tasted it earlier. It tastes like that Taco Bell sauce, but it tastes better. It tastes like some authentic sauce. And this is some mango pineapple salsa I got from, it's Great Value kind. I got from Walmart. And this is my first time trying the Great Value mango pineapple salsa. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some of that on our nachos. And I got some water to drink, and we are about to get to grab. Let's do this. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay. So I just put it on one chip because if I don't like it, I shouldn't put it on all of them. Woo, this is a big chip. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that chip off the edge and dip it on the Okay. It's good. Oh, that sauce brings a sweet flavor to it. I like that sweet flavor because I want some flavor. That's some good salsa. It is. If y'all have never had mango pineapple salsa, go ahead and try it. I think y'all will like it. Remember, that's the Great Value kind. I'm pretty sure they got other brands that may taste better. In the Walmart brand. And that brought some heat. That sauce. That's taco street sauce. Roja sauce. Y'all want some? I didn't have taco seasoning for beef. I had taco seasoning for chicken. And then I cut some Velveeta cubes up. Basically, I made a rotel dip, basically. And just put it on top of that because I ain't got time to be dipping and dipping. I don't think I'm missing any lettuce on here. Throw some lettuce on here. This could be a taco salad. This is good. It's a lot of. And the pineapple flavor. And this salsa is the bomb. I'm eating like a fat pig. The noise in the background is my son give him some ice. Y'all wanna know what happened to me at work last night? Let me show y'all. So, I'm patient. Was trying to get out the door behind the security officer. So I ran up and closed the door so she couldn't get out. And she hit me in my back with both of her fists real hard as I was closing the door, so my back would turn to her, which was a good thing because I'm glad it went in my face. And she said, "That was my husband, you beep boop boop." Y'all know the bad word. I was so mad. Hurt. Cause that lady been at me all week, talking about what else she was gonna do to me. Mexican food is like one of my favorite foods. So I enjoy Mexican food. Anything, not too much because like they eat cow tongue. I don't eat no cow tongue. But I just told myself that I was gonna get up and make a small video today. So that's what I did. I see God have made some good changes in my life. Like some positive changes. And I'm glad that these positive changes have come about for me, for my children, for my health, for my grandkids. And that's another thing. I'm about to be a new grandmother. My son has a new son on the way. And his girlfriend will be 6 months pregnant in I think about 2 weeks. She's been 6 months. We found out was texting the baby last Saturday. Yeah. I think they do come and they do go. I'm gonna try to make that Nashville hot chicken recipe I got a lot of chicken in my refrigerator, and I gotta come up with some good chicken recipes. So if y'all know any chicken recipe, leave me some comment down below about them chicken recipes, so where to find them at, so I can cook different meals with their chicken instead of baked chicken. Barbecue style. Okay, Jehovah, I thank you for this meal. I should have prayed at the beginning, but I've been praying to you heavily. I'm so thankful for the revelations you have revealed to me in my life lately. I'm so thankful how God done called me to peace on a lot of issues. I'm not ready for that drama to come back up in my life. So you guys, I'm full. I want y'all to know that I'm alive, I'm here, I'm kicking, I'm living. I love y'all. I still watch y'all videos. And I guess I gotta start leaving comments so everybody can know that I'm actually here. Okay? So, I'm gonna continue to support out my fellow mukbangers. This gonna be like my last chip, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear the crunch good or not, but I hope y'all can. Good. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video.